Welcome to our channel where we dive deep into the future of technology and its impact on our lives. Today we're exploring a question that's on the minds of many in the tech world. Will AI replace cybersecurity jobs? Stay with us as we unravel the complexities of artificial intelligence and its role in cybersecurity. Artificial intelligence has become a cornerstone in the fight against cyber threats. With its ability to analyze vast amounts of data, identify patterns and predict potential breaches, AI is revolutionizing how we protect our digital worlds. But what does this mean for cybersecurity professionals? While AI excels in speed and efficiency, the human element in cybersecurity cannot be understated. Critical thinking, ethical considerations, and creative problem-solving are aspects where humans outshine machines. Cybersecurity jobs are evolving, requiring professionals to adapt and grow alongside AI technologies. Rather than replacing jobs, AI is transforming them. New roles are emerging that focus on overseeing AI systems, enhancing AI's capabilities with human intuition, and addressing more sophisticated cyber threats. The demand for skilled cybersecurity professionals is on the rise, with AI serving as a tool rather than a replacement. In conclusion, AI is not here to replace cybersecurity jobs but to augment them. The synergy between human intelligence and artificial intelligence is creating a stronger, more resilient cybersecurity framework. As we move forward, embracing AI and upskilling will be key for cybersecurity professionals. Thank you for watching. If you found this exploration insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more thought-provoking content. Until next time, stay secure and stay curious.